We're in full pancake position now. Hi guys, my name is Mary Benham, or Hard Left Yogi. This is Loki, who is gonna be on my mat. It's just how it is, right? So let's talk about breath. Can you take an inhale in without lifting your shoulders? So what I see with a lot of students is that they're pulling these intercostal muscles, or really the accordion of the rib cage, by lifting their shoulders. And that's the reason they always have this neck tension, and really, they're like, please help my neck, right? So let's see if we can practice that. So by putting our feet into the floor, drawing our low belly back and our upper abs back, we'll feel as though those shoulders can stay rooted in their sockets. So as I breathe, you can see my rib cage expand in a circular motion, like a barrel, and that's what lifts my shoulders. It's not a, right? And so practice it with me. We're gonna keep our belly tight, put your hands on your rib cage, let your shoulders relax, and see if you can express the breath outward symmetrically into your hands. Now see if you can relax your neck a little more. Do this especially when you're doing your twists. One of the reasons that you have a limitation in your rotation is because you're contracting too much and congesting your neck. And so if we can get a long neck, you're able to rotate the whole spine more. If my neck is up here, this is as far as any of my spinal twists are going, right? Important for your up dog too. Bye guys.